we speak. This is the Bilkis Bano case, which the Supreme Court had agreed to take up the matter. It has now been taken up. The matter has now begun. The hearing that has now begun. Our legal editor Harish is right inside the court, getting us those minute-by-minute updates. This is the Supreme Court hearing the petition that has been filed by 3 activists, led by Subhasini Ali, challenging the release of the 11 convicts in the Bilkis Bano gang rape case. And Nilashish, if you can just update us, live updates that you are picking up from the Supreme Court, what Harish is sending across.
Well, yes, Kapil Sibbal, appearing for one of the petitioners, has said that not only the gang rape is what was under the scanner, 3-year-old daughter was killed, relatives killed, 7 of them. How is remission possible? This is what our legal editor, who's sending us updates from inside the court, is telling us at this point. Kapil Sibbal continues to argue, saying that on the night of the 28th of February, her cousin, Bilkis Bano's cousin, delivered a baby girl on March 3rd, 2002. They were proceeding towards a village. A group started shouting and, in fact, raising religious slurs.
Right.
They had lathis and sticks.
But just Nilashish, you're getting those live updates from what the court is now taking up the matter. But Rahul Gandhi seems to be already reacting on this. The tweet that has been put up on your screens right now is what Rahul Gandhi is taking on the center, and especially against the Gujarat government, where he goes on to say, and I'm quoting from that tweet, बेटी बचाओ जैसे खोखले नारे देने वाले बलात्कारियों को बचा रहे हैं. आज सवाल देश की महिलाओं के सम्मान और हक का है. बिल्किस बानो को न्याय दो. All right, that is what Rahul Gandhi seems to be suggesting, and in his tweet is now staunchly standing against the center as well. If you can just continue with those updates coming in from the Supreme Court there, Nilashish, what is being said right now?
Well, Justice Ajay Rastogi, who's a part of the bench, is saying that the question is, under the Gujarat rules, are the convicts entitled to remission or not? Yes, and that is the crux of this particular case. Whether these convicts, these 11 convicts who were given remission, allowed remission, whether under the rules of Gujarat State, these convicts are allowed, do they have the right to remission? Now, the Chief Justice of India has said that he has read somewhere that it was written that the Supreme Court had ordered release. We only told the Gujarat government to proceed in accordance with the law. The CJI clarifying that the Supreme Court has asked the Gujarat government to proceed in accordance with the law, and thereafter the question really is whether the state government of Gujarat had the right, had the powers as far as the rules are concerned, to allow remission of these convicts.
All right, breaking the news right here on Times Now. What we are getting to know from the Supreme Court, the release of Bilkis Bano convicts. The Supreme Court has now issued a notice to the Gujarat government. The Supreme Court is now seeking the Gujarat government's view on the plea challenging the release of the convicts, and it has now listed the matter after 2 weeks. The Supreme Court earlier passed on the matter of remission to the state government after one of those convicts had approached it with an appeal for release. The Gujarat government thereafter decided to release all of the convicts after unanimous recommendation from the panel that included multiple members who are involved in the case.